Hey everyone, so these are some of the videos and images I generated using the Luma AI Dream Machine. And honestly, I was pretty surprised by how real and smooth some of these are. In today's video, I will walk you through a full review of Luma AI, testing out their image generator, video generator, and the image to video feature as well. So if you're curious about what this AI can actually do, stick around till the end. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any more AI reviews like this. So after you visit the Luma AI Dream Machine page using the link in the description box, all you need to do is click on Try Now, and you will be transferred to the login page. You can use your preferable method to create your account. In this video, I'm going to go with my Google account. Click on Sign In with Google. Choose your preferred account. So after you log in using your Google account, you will notice you have in your main page these boards that contain several ideas. You can click on them and explore these ideas, or you can start your own board by clicking on this button, Start a Board. And right here is your workspace where you can generate images, videos, and so on. So we're going to start with generating an image. So we need a prompt. So after pasting your prompt, you'll notice right here you have an image feature actually, which you can upload an image as a reference. But for now, we're going to go with text to image directly. In your right side, you have right here this button. You click on it and you select image. Right here, you select the aspect ratio right here, and also the quality from here. After you select your preferred settings, you click on this arrow. Okay, so the results are done basically in almost 5 seconds, which is really quick. If you go back to the prompt, you'll notice that you have highlights on some of the main descriptions of the prompt. You have this button right here which said show more, which means you can generate more about this. If you click on it, you see, so you will have a variety of generations. So basically, if you want to see the others, just hover your cursor, click and hover and swipe, and you can see the other generations. Let's say, for example, you kind of like this one. You have many options right here. You have the download option directly if you are satisfied with the results. You have modify option. You have a make video, which means you can animate this picture using the image to video feature. And you have a reference, you can use as a reference. And also you can generate specifically more images similar to this one. And also to view the image, you only need to click on it. And you can see in full screen, look at the details, etc. And to go back, click on the left arrow. Alright, so moving on, we're going to try the video feature. So I have already made my video prompt. After you paste it right here, you go to the settings again, click right here, you select video, again aspect ratio. You can go with up to 2 videos per time. The duration, these are available for now. The quality, and also the model, they have Ray 1.6, Ray 2 Flash, and Ray 2. After you finish the settings, click on this arrow. Alright, so our text to video is already generated. You click on it. Okay, let's rewind. Okay, so as you see, when we use the text to image, the video is being generated from scratch, so there is no reference image as the previous step that we did. So yeah, and pretty much again, that's a good result for a first try. Of course, you have other options such as modify. You can extend the video, generate similar results to this one, upscale it, and also audio. You can download from here, or you can like this generation from here by putting a heart. So now let's say you like this image right here and you want it to be a video. So all you need to do is click on right here, make video, and you will see the initial frame right here. Also, you can add a end frame. For example, if you want to add this one, click on make video, and now you need to describe the camera, what the scene is, what do you want the video to look like right here. So I have already made my prompt. So you go to the settings, you select video, you can select the aspect ratio for this one. It's going to be the original aspect ratio. Right here you can select the number of videos, the duration of the video, and right here you can select the quality of the video, and also you can select the model. They offer Ray 1.6, Ray 2 Flash, and Ray 2. After you finishing the settings, you click on this arrow. Alright, so the generation is already done. You click on the video. Okay, so the result quality is pretty good to some ink. I see some glitches at the beginning, but depending on the first frame and the ending frame, that was wasn't compatible a lot because I just choose them randomly. But if you guys choose beginning frame and ending frame from the same reference with a lot of details, I think you will have a much better result. So that's really a good result for a first try. So the last thing we're gonna talk about is the plans. So the Luma AI Dream Machine offers a limited free usage with up to 720 pixels resolution, lower priority, which means you're gonna wait a very long time if you are a free user. Also, your generations will be only for non-commercial use. The second plan they offer is the Light plan, and the third one is the Plus plan, which they both offers the Ray 2 Access model, which is the video generation model. And of course, if you want to use this tool if you want to use it for long term, you can pay annually and have a discount. That is it for today's video. Tell me in the comments, guys, if you already have tried the Luma AI Dream Machine or you have any questions about this platform. I will be answering as soon as possible.